Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Fred. So, last night I had this piece of cold rolled steel here, trying to press it into that hub that's on the indexing table for the welding indexing table, and it bent to shit. Pardon my language. Got all chowdered up. I gave it a 3 thou clearance, but I guess it just wasn't enough. Anyway, so we've got some piece of 4140 here, and we're gonna bring it down to size. I've got the indexing part of the table back in the lathe. We're gonna do a small bore just to clean it up. And this piece is a little oversized, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring this down 2 thou over and try it again. Alright, hang in there. Okay guys, we're just going to clean the inside of this bore. I got a little chafed when I was trying to press that rod in. That rod was some cold rolled mild steel, and we're going to use some 4140 now. But I want to clean that up to make sure there's no chafes in it. So let me get this all set up here, and we're going to take a couple passes to clean it out. All right, hang in there. All right. Take out a 5 thou cut here. Oh, let's go the right way here. Let's get the feeder going in and not out. Okay, we've cleaned out that bore. Let me just do a measurement here. So this is 881. So that's what we're going to, and that's nice and smooth in there. Gonna put a little chamfer on the end there. That's what we're going to make the rod, the 4140, the 881, so we can press it in there. All right, hang in there, guys. We're just going to do a chamfer here, and we're going to take this out and get the rod, the shaft in there. All right, that'll be it. All right. Okay guys, we're going to turn this down. Let me just put a little register mark in there. Yeah, I don't want it to fit 100%, but look at that. That's a tight fit there. Tight enough that I can't get it on, but enough. Oh, shit. I can press it on, so that's a couple thou over. And that's exactly what exactly what I wanted. All right, guys. Hang in there. So guys, I never did show how I have my my carriage stop, and now I have this little vernier on there just to measure how far I'm going as far as strokes go. And I just got a little rare earth magnet on the end there to move it back and forth. It works awesome. So that's what I've been using when I'm doing a lot of boring and stuff now. It just saves me a lot of time. I did get my order from Amazon. It's another eye gauging vernier. It fits across the compound here, so I'm going to install that. That gives me a little more accuracy. I had a really nice vernier from eye gauging that I could send Bluetooth right to my notepad on my phone, so I didn't have to go back and forth and keep measuring. But unfortunately, that got the gear dropped on, and she went south. All right. So yeah, so that's about it, guys, for tonight. All right, you hang in there. Okay, guys, we're back. So we've got the plate where the vise is going to mount for the indexing table, for the welding indexing table. We got the new shaft out of some 4140, and we're going to put a little weld on her and machine it down. But yeah, all in all, the project's coming along. So this is done. I just got to get the shaft done and rebuild the one I chowdered up here. That was some mild cold rolled. It couldn't handle it. This was like 3 thou over, so it didn't like it. So this is about a thou and a half over, so I can beat that in and then put a little weld around the outside edge here. So that'll work out perfect. Yeah, it's gotta be pressed in there, so we'll work on that, get that done, get the shaft done, and I've already got everything, the little points done that will sit on the side here and be welded in there. And we've got the little arms. Basically what I did is I put all the junk inside this thing here, put a piece of aluminum round stock in there, and found the middle point where it was balanced. And that's how it's gonna that's where the balancing point is. So once the motor and everything's on there, the coupling with the carrier bearing, yeah, it'll be ready to go. All right, so there we go. That's gonna go in there. So there we go. So, and that's gotta go in there, and yeah, we're almost done. We're to the point where I just gotta build the stand, and it'll be very light duty, up to about 100 pounds, nothing more. I don't do any really heavy duty piping or welding on piping to accommodate a 200-pound indexing motor. So that little motor works good. That'll probably do a 200-pound table, but don't need it. So anyways, with that said, guys, I'd like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. You guys have a great night. Bye for now.